What's up everyone, my name is Tommy Guns, and in this video we're going to talk about the Honor LSV app. First, we're going to turn on the golf cart. Then we're going to wait until the Honor LSV logo comes up. Let it load, and now we go to the app. Once you have registered and you're within the app, look at the top left-hand corner, you'll see 3 lines. Click it. Then Bluetooth connections, click it. Honor is going to pop up, click that. Then on your dial, on your forward reverse, go forward, reverse, neutral. Follow the instructions. Now you're connected. Once you have successfully connected to the Honor app, you'll see 2 sections. The blue section is a speedometer and the miles per hour. The bottom section in red, you'll see the voltage, current, motor temp, and power output. Also, you'll see the battery meter. Now, if you slide your finger to the left on the red section, you'll get to on the fly region adjuster. We'll talk about that in a second. Slide your finger one more time. This section shows if your golf cart is 4x4 equipped or not. If it is, you'll see stats in this section. For now, we can just slide our finger once again. This is one of the most important features of the golf cart, vehicle anti-theft. Once you click on the green lock, it will create a circle. Once complete, it turns yellow. That means the golf cart is locked. The golf cart will not move. You can play the music, press the accelerator, and the golf cart will not move. The golf cart is currently locked. To unlock the golf cart, press the lock again. Now you'll see a yellow line starting to create a circle. Once it completes, now the golf cart is fully functional once again. Now remember that region setting? Let's go to it. Swipe to the right. Now once at the on the fly region adjuster, you can turn it on and adjust the region to your liking. Once you find the sweet spot, turn it off. It will go back to the original setting, but we will set it in the settings section. Remember those 3 lines on the top left-hand side? Let's click it once again. Now we will click Vehicle Setup. The first slider on the left-hand side is the miles per hour. Now you can move it up or down and set it to your preferred speed. The second slider on the right hand side is your regenerative braking. Remember that region adjustment we did? This is where we set that value. Now let's talk about comfort and standard mode. So you have comfort mode and you have standard mode. Your choice, pick your poison. You want a slow, gradual increase of speed, or you want a quicker response, which is standard mode. Set it to your preference. Now you see that little lock under top speed? If your phone locks it, your phone must be the one to unlock it to change the speed. That's all she wrote. I'm Tommy Guns at GolfCartMax Key Largo, and thank you for watching.